Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a huge box. This is my first time getting Causebox. I don't even know what to say. And I'm one busy mama here with a Causebox that does great things. They give back, and I am excited to see what is in this box. If you're excited to see what's in this box, then stay tuned. Okay, so we have a big, huge box. I think it was 3 pounds. I'm not even sure. I will leave the weight on the bottom if I find it. If not, just know it's a big box. I know that they do things for a cause, so we will find out once I open it. There's no weight on here. Okay, so let's open it up. So let me show you. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Booklet, good news, summer welcome. This is like a magazine. Staying in. They show you a picture of what you could be getting inside the box. So you can get a choice of either or, so we will go over those. This is cute. It's a little postcard. And then there's some paper. Okay, so the first thing I see is in here. It's a Zoe crossbody bag in the color cognac. It's Pixie Mood Zoe crossbody in olive, cognac, or black. A timeless, everyday crossbody with a detachable strap, can be styled up or down, made to last, out of premium vegan leather. It is $75. Let's see what it looks like. Very nicely wrapped here. And some tissue paper. Ooh. Feels nice. Look at that. Very detailed. Okay, and you have the strap here. There's paper here, 20% off your next order. And there's a zipper compartment. A nice toggle right there. Pixie Mood, 100% cruelty free. 100% of the lining is made from recycled bottles. Wow, this is really cool. And then there's like some zippers in there with this teal color inside. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, I love it. I haven't had a purse in a long time, so this is a treat for mama. All right, so let's put Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. It's 50 ml. And let's see what we have here. Your new hydration superpower helps moisture and smooth fine lines, leaving skin dewy and radiant. This is $25. Grace and Stella has a great skincare line. I have the rose spray. It smells amazing. I'm not going to open this because I have so many things open already, and I might give it away. So this is great. Look at this. We have a Swell bottle. I did not get one in my BoxyCharm Luxe, so I was super excited to see this for Causebox. So this is the 17-ounce water bottle. Swell wants to rid the world of single-use plastic bottles. Insulation keeps drinks hot or cold. $35. And it sounds amazing. It's pretty. It's just, these are usually hand wash only, so we'll see. Designed in New York City, made in China. Triple walled, no sweat, eco-friendly. It's 17 ounces or 500 milliliters. I'm assuming it is, hand wash only. Most of these are. So this is awesome. I will leave the total down below. There were 3 things that you could have customized, which was one of these. Oh, the bottom fell off. Okay. Anyway, and the crossbody bag, and I think it was the something else. So I chose this one. I do have one. I have a pink one, and this is the PMD cleaner. BoxyCharm did give me one in my Luxe box, so I will think about what I'm gonna do with this. It's such a pretty color. You had your choice of pink, blue, and teal, like they show here. And that retails for $99. It's a smart facial cleansing device. We have this little guy. This is Malu SPF 30 Hanua Hawaiian Skincare. Oh, it sounds amazing. Malu SPF Day Cream, made with locally sourced ingredients, keeps skin protected when you're out in the sun. $42. Wow. SPF 30, and look at this nice packaging. I want to know, is it like, I don't want to break it. I want to know if it's, oh, look at how it comes. It opens up. Okay, so it's like a little serum. I like that. Wouldn't be that eco-friendly if it was a spray, so should have thought about that. All right, and then lastly that we have here is the Underwood letter press, which felt leather board, perfect for leaving love notes or chore reminders. Underwood letter press returns analog letters to a digital world. $45. Did I say that the SPF was 42? Okay, so this is a letter board with all the letters right here. I'm gonna take it out, but that is really nice, like for my office or my setup. All right, so we got a lot of stuff here. Let's do a quick recap. We got the PMD cleaner, we got the Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid serum, we got the Malu SPF, we got the Swell water bottle, we got the cross body bag, and then we got the letter board. And I will leave the annual price for the box down below, as well as the total value. So here is pretty much what I got, except for these makeup brushes. So I got the SPF, the bag, a PMD cleaner, the Swell bottle, the Grace and Stella, and the letter board. So I think this was a really interesting box for my first time. Let me know what you guys think. Have you gotten this box? Are you interested in getting the box? I will leave everything in the description box. Let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't already, hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment down below, and as always guys, stay safe.